Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 features a CPU configuration of 2X Cortex-A78 cores at 2.2 GHz and 6X Cortex-A55 cores at 2 GHz. The expected Gen 3 includes 2X Cortex-A78 cores at 2.63 GHz and 6X Cortex-A55 cores at 2.1 GHz, indicating a performance boost. While the Gen 2 uses an unspecified, lower mid-range Adreno GPU, the Gen 3 is likely to feature an improved Adreno GPU for enhanced gaming performance. Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 supports basic AI tasks and LPDDR4X RAM at 3200 MHz. The anticipated Gen 3 offers improved AI performance, enabling faster language and image processing. Both generations support UFS 2.2 storage, but Gen 3 could potentially support UFS Sandier EDN. Snapdragon 4, Gen 2, and Gen 3 both support FHD Yaoon displays at 120Hz and 1080p at 60fps video capture. The Snapdragon 4 Gen 3 is expected to offer better 5G efficiency using either the X61 or X62 modem. The Snapdragon 4 Gen 3 is projected to exceed 500 in Antutu score, showcasing a performance improvement over the Gen 2's 425